Nature holds incredible secrets, shaping our future. These ancient designs inspire tomorrow's technology today. Nature holds incredible secrets, shaping our future. These ancient designs inspire tomorrow's technology today. This is biomimicry, where nature guides innovation. From tiny organisms, grand solutions emerge constantly. Scientists are unlocking patterns hidden for millennia. We look to nature for sustainable, powerful answers. The future of engineering lies in biological wisdom. Earth's genius offers blueprints for human challenges. Imagine materials that heal, like living tissue. Consider the lotus leaf, always perfectly clean. Its microscopic texture repels water and dirt. This lotus effect inspires self-cleaning surfaces. Future buildings could shed grime effortlessly. Even medical devices might resist bacterial growth. Nature's simple design offers profound utility. Geckos walk on ceilings, defying gravity easily. Millions of tiny hairs create powerful adhesion. Van der Waals forces enable this incredible grip. Researchers mimic this for reusable adhesives. Surgical tapes could detach without skin damage. Robots might scale walls, aiding dangerous tasks. A small gecko, African termite mounds, are natural air conditioners. Intricate tunnels maintain stable internal temperatures. These structures use convection for perfect ventilation. Architects learn from this ancient, natural wisdom. The Eastgate Centre in Zimbabwe uses this principle. It saves massive energy, reducing cooling costs. Future buildings will breathe, mimicking termite homes. Sharks glide through water with minimal resistance. Their skin possesses unique, drag-reducing denticles. These tiny scales create micro-turbulent flow. Engineers apply this riblet pattern to surfaces. Aircraft wings could become more fuel-efficient. Swimsuits already use similar patterns for speed. Shipping vessels might significantly cut fuel consumption. Nature perfects hydrodynamic efficiency over eons. Biomimicry reveals nature's endless ingenuity. Solving human problems begins with deep observation. The future thrives on Earth's timeless designs. We must protect these patterns for tomorrow's breakthroughs. Our planet holds keys to humanity's next chapter. Its natural wisdom offers solutions for every challenge. If you enjoyed this, hit subscribe for more deep dives.